Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Today we have another session with Uncle, and आज बड़ा important topic है जो business से मुतालिक है. मैं अंकल से पूछना चाहूँगा कि पाकिस्तान में आप business aptitude और attitude का क्या तसलसल देखते हैं और उसकी क्या effectiveness है. जी अंकल.
Well, there, well. What a wonderful topic you brought today. Business. The word itself says to be busy, but not only busy for something. Not only busy for nothing, but busy for something. Busy for something means you are consolidating something, you are bringing it up, and you are materializing something, you are going forward. So, the elaborating the answer or the explanation for your question, the aptitude and the attitude. It's very unfortunate to say it this way. In our country, no aptitude for business, neither attitude. I'll give you a few examples. The reason would be because we do not study things to the point where you can get an extract out of it, or the essence out of it, or the real knowledge out of it, or the real depth, what you are looking forward, or what you are exploring, or what you are digging. You're not doing that. Aptitude. How do you define aptitude? A way of doing something with your will, with your guts, with your interest, and you are good at it. That is called aptitude. Whereas attitude, it could be overwhelming, it could be very positive, it could be very negative, and it could be just a victory sign in your nature, in your body language, in your confidence, or it is just a flaw on the other way around. So what is happening? We do not compete these two properties to make a business very successful, because they don't combine. Because we are not sure what our aptitude is, and we are not sure how our attitude is going to react or act in a couple of hours, because we keep changing. We're not constant. And you know what is the reason for not being constant? The reason for not being constant is you do not believe in the consistency or constancy of a thing. That means, अल्लामा इकबाल का एक शेर याद है, यकीन मोहकम अमल पे हम मोहब्बत फाते है आलम, जहाद जिंदगानी में यह है मर्दों की शमशीर. ये आपके बिजनेस एप्टीट्यूड और एटीट्यूड में भी अप्लाई हो सकता है. उर्दू में बोल रहा हूँ, उर्दू हमारी प्यारी ज़बान है, कौमी ज़बान है. अंग्रेज़ी में तो मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई आप बिजनेसमैन हैं, आप बिजनेस करना चाह रहे हैं, पूरी दुनिया के साथ करना चाह रहे हैं, आपको अंग्रेज़ी पे अबूर हासिल होना चाहिए. It's a legitimate reality. You can call it a tragedy or whatever, if you are if you have a prejudice for languages. I do not. It has become a business language, and business is very well been taken care in this language, and it's a business language for the whole world. So enjoy it. So now coming back to the topic. You do not have the real aptitude for doing something. Just to give you an example, you want to play cricket and become a professional. Professional means you are doing business with the theme or the subject or the area you have picked up. But you do not have enough knowledge about cricket. You do not know the rules. You do not have the real aptitude to follow all the instructions and the legitimate knowledge about that particular game or sport, then how are you going to be a professional and a business figure making six-digit numbers, becoming a professional, playing counties and things like that, you know, in cricket? So is in football. I'm giving you sports examples, but we can switch back to other things. For example, you are an engineer or a technical guy, but you have some reason that you do not have the opportunity to work in your area, and you did not try enough. You got disheartened, and you found out saying you're selling hamburger or barbecue is a great business. To open a shack, or to open a small restaurant, or to open a joint for selling food, because everybody needs to eat food. But you are an engineer, or you are a technician, or you're a mechanic, or you are a guy, you know, who could be an artist, or who could be a great guy for many other things, maybe a sports guy, maybe somebody, you know, in radio, TV, or actor, or you just, or an artist, or you just drop back to selling hamburger. Is that an aptitude? That is the desperate need to make some bucks, a little money, to wash away your aptitude. So you do not know the meaning of aptitude. And same is with the attitude. Because when aptitude is so destroyed and destructive, what the hell you are going to prove with your body language or your lifestyle or your way to speak out or to convince or to let the other know that how positive I could be because I want to smash it out and be a winner in any field. You could be winner in any field, but here is the dot and the stop and the question again. You got to understand how to combine them, how to parallel up, how to make them parallel, and how to benefit one factor from the other factor, that is aptitude and attitude. There is more to define and more example. I would just go for now for this much. Let's say it's an introduction. We'll go in another 2, 3, 4 videos, and I will give you the proper definition of all this mechanism or the phenomena. What makes you successful? Because we want to take you from this state of mind to that state where you would feel from every angle you have reached your goals and you are successful. Watch out, success is relative. You got to understand what real success is. We'll talk about it some other time. Thank you very much, spectators, viewers. Thank you, Pakistan.